My dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you, grade 2? Let's start our today's lesson. Our today's lesson, grade 2, is lesson number 7, chapter 10. Subtract from numbers that contain zeros. Okay, so we want to subtract from numbers that contain zeros. Like this. Can you see here we have 400 minus 178. We have here a number that contains 0. We want to subtract 178 from a number contains 0. How can we get the answer? Let's start by one's grade 2. 0 minus 8. 0 minus 8 can be or can't be. Actually, 0 minus 8 can't be because 0 is less than 8. Now 0 will go to this 0 and say, 0, please help me. Now 0 will say, I am poor, I can't help you, I don't have anything. Now this 0 will go to 4 and say, 4, please help me. Now 4 becomes a 3. Can you see this 4 becomes a 3 and 0 becomes a 10. So this 0 becomes a 10. Now the first 0 will come again and say 10, please help me. Now 10 becomes 9, this 10 becomes 9 and 0 becomes a 10. Okay, this 10 becomes 9 and this 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 8 equals what number? 10 minus 8 equals 2. So let's write here 2. 10 minus 8, 2. And 9 minus 7 equals 2. Let's write here also 2. And 3 minus 1 equals 2. So the answer equals 222. This strategy, grade 2, called regrouping. You can answer by regrouping like this. Or you can answer by compensation. What's a compensation? You can subtract 1 from the first number and 1 from the second number. Subtract 1 from the first number and subtract 1 from the second number. Minus 1, minus 1. Okay? 400 minus 1 equals 399. 178 minus 1, 177. Okay? So you can use compensation by subtracting 1 from this 100 number and subtract 1 from the second number. Here make minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, 400 minus 1, 399. 178 minus 1, 177. Now let's get the difference. 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 equals what? Equals 2. Let's write here 2. 9 minus 7 again equals 2. Let's write here 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. So let's write here 2. So the answer equals 222 like this. So you can get the answer by compensation. By subtracting 1, subtracting 1. Minus 1, minus 1. Okay, 400 minus 1, 399. 178 minus 1, like this, 177. Okay, as you see, grade 2, you can get the answer by compensation, okay, or by regrouping. You can choose one of the strategies as you like, but I want all of you practice compensation. Compensation is very easy. Okay, it's easier than regrouping. If you can answer by compensation, we'll find that you can get the answer quickly. So try to answer by compensation. Now let's move to the next page to answer the next question. We have this example, grade 2, 500 minus 283. Let's start by ones. 0 minus 3 can't be. Now 0 will go to this 0 and say, 0, please help me. 0 will say, I don't have anything, I'm sorry. Now 0 will go to 5 and say, 5, please help me. Now 5 becomes 4, 0 becomes 10. Now this 0 will go to 10 and say, 10, please help me, you are rich. Now 10 becomes 9 and the 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 3 equals 7. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. This is the regrouping way. Now let's answer by compensation. Can you see here you have 500? It's a 100 number minus 283. To use compensation, make here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay? 500 minus 1, 499. 283 minus 1, 282. Okay? Now let's get the difference. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 minus 8 equals 1. 4 minus 2 equals 2. So the answer is 217. Now let's move to the next question. 300 minus 139. Use regrouping or compensation to subtract. You can answer by regrouping or compensation. But I'll answer this question by compensation. Let's answer by compensation. To answer by compensation, grade 2, you have to make here minus 1, minus 1. Why 1? Because you have here 0. You have here 0. What's the number that comes after 0? After 0, 1. We want to subtract 1 to get 299. So let's write here minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Make like this. 300 minus 1, 139 minus 1. Now who can help me to answer? I'll choose this super one whose name is Zainul Abidin. Hello Zain, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Zainul Abidin, let's answer this question by compensation. Let's make here minus 1, minus 1, okay?
Okay.
300 minus 1 equals what number?
300 minus 1 equals
What's before 300?
299.
Yes, 299. Very good. 299 minus what number? 139 minus 1 equals
138. 138
equals what number? Let's
138.
let's rewrite the equation here. I write here 299 and down here 138. Okay, Zainul Abidin?
Okay.
9 minus 8 equals what number?
9 minus 8 equals 1.
1. And 9 minus 3 equals what number? 6. Very good. And 2 minus 1?
1.
1. So the answer equals 161. Okay? Let's write 100. Yes, let's write here 161. And write here also 161. Thank you, Zainul Abidin. Excellent and super boy. Bye. Now, my dear students, let's answer the next question. Question number 2. We want to get 402 minus 265. Let's answer this question also by compensation. Okay? How can we answer this question by compensation? Please pay attention, grade 2. To answer this question by compensation, look at ones. Here we wanna the ones is 2, and we wanna make 402 399. So right here minus 3. Can ask Mister, why minus 3? Take the number that comes after 2. After 2, 3. Make minus 3 and write here also minus 3. Minus 3, minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. Why 3? Because we want to get 399. To get 399, you have to subtract 3. Okay? Subtract the number that comes after this number, after 2, 3. So make minus 3, minus 3. Okay, now let's answer. Who can say 402 minus 3 equals what number? Let's choose Tayyim Ahmed. Hello, Tayyim, how are you?
Thank you.
Tayyim, 402 minus 3 equals what number?
402 can't be, Mr. It's 2 smaller than 3.
Yes, but you can get it quickly. You can count back. Make 3 in your fingers and count back.
One.
Count back. 402 minus, make 3 in your fingers and count back. Before 402, 401, okay? 400.
400. Zero.
Before 400, 399. Let's write here 399 minus here 265 minus 3 equals what number?
What, mister?
265 minus 3.
265 minus 3
Yes.
equals 264.
62.
62.
Yes, 262. Now let's get 399 minus 262. Okay.
Yes. Okay. One.
Okay. Okay. I
Yeah,
write
yeah.
it here. Right here. 300.
I know, miss.
Minus 262. Okay. 9 minus 2 equals what number?
9 minus 2 equals 7.
Equals 7. Very good. And 9 minus 6.
9 minus 6 equals 3.
9 minus 6 equals 3. Very good. And 3 minus 2?
3 minus 2 equals 1.
So the answer 137. Do you know, Tayyam, why we make here minus 3 minus 3?
Because
Here,
here we have 3 and
here can you see the ones digit is 2, so make minus 3, the number that comes after 2. What's after 2? After 2, 3.
After 2, 3.
So here minus 3 minus 3. Okay.
Yes. Yeah,
okay. Thank you, Tayyim. Bye.
I don't make it on my finger.
Excellent. Bye. Now let's answer question number 3. 800 minus 557. Let's answer this question by regrouping. Okay, I'll answer it by regrouping. Here 800 and here 547 equals what number? Let's find the super one who can answer the question. 0 minus 7 can be or can't be. Who can answer? I'll choose the super one whose name is Jarrah. Hello, Jarrah. How are you? Hello, Jarrah.
Hello.
Jarrah, are you ready to answer this question?
Yes.
Okay, 0 minus 7 can be or can't be?
7.
0 minus no, not 7. Can't be. 0 is smaller than 7. 0 minus 7 can't be. 0 will go to this 0 and say 0, please help me. 0 will say, I don't have anything, I can't help you. Now 0 will go to 8 and put 1. Now 8 becomes what number? And this 0 becomes what number?
8 becomes 7.
Yes, and the 0 becomes
10.
10. Now the first 0 will go to 10 and say 10, please help me. Now 10 becomes what number? And this 0 becomes what number?
10 becomes 9.
9, very good. And the 0 becomes?
10.
10, excellent. Now 10 minus 7 equals what number?
10 minus 7.
10 minus 7.
3.
10 minus 7 equals 3. Very good. And 9 minus 4. Can you see here we have 9. 9 minus 4 equals what number?
Equals 5.
Equals 5. And 7 minus 5 equals what number?
2.
2. So the answer equals 253. Let's write here 253. Thank you, my son. Excellent and super boy. Bye.
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 I love you.
I love you too. Thank you. Now let's find the super one who can answer number 4. I'll choose now the super boy whose name is Abdurrahman Farouk. Hello, Abdurrahman. How are you? Abdurrahman, I'm fine. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Let's answer number 4. 910 minus 252. Okay?
658.
I write 910 minus here 252 equals what number?
It equals to 658.
I don't want to, don't say to me the answer. Take it step by step. Say to me what's the steps. 0 minus 2 can be or can't be?
Can't.
Can't. Now 0 will go to 1 and borrow 1. Now 1 becomes what number? 0 becomes what number?
1 becomes 0 and 0 becomes 10.
Excellent. 0 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 2 equals what number?
10 minus 2 is equals to 8.
8. Super. 0 minus 5 can be or can't be?
0 minus 5 can't be.
Can't be. Now 9 becomes what number and 0 becomes what number?
9 becomes 8 and 0 becomes 10.
Excellent. Very good. Now we have 10. Here, this is 10. Okay. Now 10 minus 5 equals what number? 10 minus 5 equals 5. And 8 minus 2 equals what number?
8 minus 2 is equals to 6.
8 minus 2 equals what?
6.
6. Okay. 8 minus 2 equals 6. So the answer 658. Thank you, Abdurrahman. Excellent and super boy. Bye.
I don't do it in my finger.
You're fantastic. Thank you. Bye. Now, grade 2, let's move to the next page to answer the next question. Now, who's ready to answer question number 5? I want a super one. Answer this question by compensation. Who can answer by compensation? Here, minus what? Minus what? Who can say? Minus what number? Here, minus what number? And here, minus what number? Let's find who can answer. I'll choose Omar Khalid. Hello, Omar. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
Omar, can you answer this question by compensation?
Yes.
Okay.
11 minus 11 minus 11.
You are an amazing boy. Very good. Excellent. Minus 11, not minus 10, grade 2. Don't make minus 10 like this. Take the number that's after 10. After 10, 11. So make minus 11 minus 11. Okay? Right here, minus 11 minus 11. Omar Khalid, you are a lion. Let's answer now. Now let's subtract. 310 minus 11 equals what number?
210 minus 11 equals 299.
Yes, directly without counting. 299. Okay? Minus. Now 186 minus 11. 6 minus 1 equals what?
Equals 5.
5. And 8 minus 1 equals what number?
7.
7. And drop this one because we don't have hundreds. 0 hundreds. So here 175 equals what number? Let's take ones minus ones, tens minus tens, hundreds minus hundreds. 9 minus 5 equals what number?
9 minus 5 equals 4.
9 minus 5 equals 4. That's right. And 9 minus 7?
Equals 2.
Very good. 9 minus 7, 2. And 2 minus 1 equals 1. So the answer equals 124. I want to thank you, Omar. You are excellent boy. Thank you. Bye. Now, my dear students, who can answer the next question. I'll choose Qusay to answer the next one. Hello, Qusay. How are you?
Thank you.
Qusay, let's get 620 minus 458. Let's use Let's use regrouping, okay? I write here
Okay. Next.
620 and here 458. Okay, Qusay?
Okay.
Okay, let's start by ones. 0 minus 8 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't be because 0 less than 8. 0 will go to 2 and say 2, please help
Please
me.
give me one. Please give me one.
Yes, now
10
2.
and 1.
Yes, 2 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 10. Now 10 minus 8 equals what number?
10 minus 8.
2.
2.
Equals 10 minus 8 equals 2. Very good. And 1 minus 5 can be or can't be?
Can't be.
Can't
Go
be.
6. Please. 6. Please give me one.
Okay, now 6 becomes
one.
what number? 6 becomes?
6 becomes 5.
And 1 becomes?
And 1 becomes 11.
11, super boy. Now we have 11 minus 5 equals what number?
11 minus 5. Equals 6.
Equals 6, that's right. And 5 minus 4 equals what number?
Equal 1.
Equal 1. So the answer
162.
162. So let's write the difference 162. Qusay, you are an amazing boy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Now, my dear students, who's ready to answer the next question? I'll choose this super boy whose name is Omar Ala. Hello, Omar. How are you?
Fine. Thank you.
Omar, can you answer this question? 906 minus 729. Can you answer by compensation?
Yes.
Okay, here minus what? Minus what? Minus what number? And here minus what number?
Minus 9.
No, not 9. Can you see you have 906? What's after 6?
After 6.
Yes. What's the number that comes after 6? After 6 is 7. We say 6 is 7. So right here minus 7, minus 7. Okay? Minus 7, minus 7. 906 minus 7 equals 899. Okay?
899.
Very good. Then let's make 729 minus 7. 9 minus 7 equals what number? 9
2.
minus 7 equals 2. And 2 minus nothing equals 2. Here 2 minus 0, 2. And 7 minus nothing equals 7. Drop 7. Now the answer 722. Equals what number? Let's take ones minus ones, tens minus tens, hundreds minus hundreds. 9 minus 2 equals what number?
7.
7. Very good. And 9 minus 2 again equals what number?
7.
7. Then 800s minus 700s equals what number?
100.
100. So the answer 177.
77.
Yes. Can you see, Omar, here we make minus 7. Why? Because you have here 6 in ones. What's after 6? 7. After 6 is 7. Okay? Can you say in number 8 minus what? Minus what?
Minus 4.
No, not 4. We have 807.
I mean minus 8.
Minus 8, yes. After 7, 8. Don't make minus 7, no. Take the number that comes after 7. So right here, minus 8, minus 8. Then complete. This must be 799. Okay, in number 9, can you say minus what? Minus what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Very good. We have here 503. 503. So let's make minus 4. What's after 3? After 3, 4.
3,
So right here
4.
minus 4 and here minus 4. Minus 4, minus 4. That's right. Super boy. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Now I'll choose Ayman to say the next one. Hello Ayman, how are you? Hello Ayman. Okay, let's
Yes,
take
mister.
another one to say mine. Hello
Yes,
Ayman, how are you? Are you sleeping?
Yeah,
Are
no.
you sleeping, Ayman?
No.
Yes. Okay. Number 10, Ayman. 301 minus 282. If you want to use compensation, can you say here minus what and here minus what? You have 301. What's after 1? What's the number that comes after 1? What's after 1? After 1. You have 301. What's after 1?
0.
After 1, 2. Not before 1. After 1, 2. So here minus 2 and here yes,
2.
minus 2 minus 2. Okay? 301 minus 2 equals 299 minus 200. Yes, 292 minus 2 equals what number? 282 minus 2 equals 282 minus 2 equals 280.
4.
So, okay, after that you can complete. Now, my lovely boys, you can complete all of these questions by yourself. So I leave this page to answer it by yourself. Ayman, thank you. Bye.
I love you, mister.
I love you too. Thank you.
I love
Now, bye. Now, my dear students, please answer this page by yourself. You can answer by compensation or by regrouping. You can answer by compensation like this or by regrouping like this. It's no problem, as you like. If you find that compensation is difficult for you, you can answer by regrouping as you like. It's up to you. Okay? The question is use regrouping or compensation. It's up to you. Now let's move to the next page to answer the next question. Grade 2, I'll show you a video about this question. So please, all of you, pay attention to understand it well.
There are 400 paper lanterns. 279 of them are let go. How many paper lanterns are left? You know there are 400 paper lanterns. You know 279 of them are let go. You need to find how many paper lanterns are left. Subtract 279 from 400. Use compensation to subtract. It is easier to subtract 1 less than 400. So subtract 1 from 400 and 1 from 279. 400 minus 1 equals what number? 279 minus 1 equals what number? First, subtract 1 from 400. Regroup 400 and 0 tens as 300s and 10 tens. Next, regroup 10 tens and 0 ones as 9 tens and 10 ones. Then subtract. 10 ones minus 1 1 equals 9 ones. 9 tens minus 0 tens equals 9 tens. 3 hundreds minus 0 hundreds equals 3 hundreds. So 400 minus 1 equals 399. Now subtract 1 from 279. 9 ones minus 1 1 equals 8 ones. 7 tens minus 0 tens equals 7 tens. 2 hundreds minus 0 hundreds equals 2 hundreds. So 279 minus 1 equals 278. Subtract 278 from 399. 399 minus 278 equals what number? Rewrite the subtraction equation. 399 minus 278 equals what number? 9 ones minus 8 ones equals 1 1. 9 tens minus 7 tens equals 2 tens. 3 hundreds minus 2 hundreds equals 100. So 399 minus 278 equals 121. There are 121 paper lanterns left.
Now, my lovely boys, please, all of you write this equation. 399 minus 278 equals 121. Right here, 121. Don't forget, grade 2, that how many left means minus. Subtraction. If you find how many left, make minus. Now, let's answer the next question, question number 14. You have 803 fans at a stadium. 226 of them leave. How many fans are left? Here, how many left? So we have to subtract. What number minus what number? The greater number minus the smaller one. So here 803 minus 226. Let's write 803 minus 226 equals what number? You can get the answer by yourself. Okay, you can skip number 16, grade 2. Now I want to thank all of you for your attention and participation. I wish you a nice day, grade 2, and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Thanks all of you, and goodbye.